So today we have come to one of my favourite places in Dubai, which is Bluewater Island, where you see the Ain Dubai, the massive wheel, and incredible views of Marina across the way. But today we're actually checking out a very, very expensive apartment. One of my friends is actually going to give us a little bit of a tour of some of these crazy, crazy expensive apartments that you can see just behind me here. Let's go and have a look. So there's actually 10 of these big style apartment buildings throughout Bluewater, all dotted around. I'll show you the map here so you can actually see the sort of layout. And already they look incredible. We're seeing like Lamborghinis and stuff on the outside because the rent prices here are pretty insane. So we have just come out on level 7 to the most incredible apartment I think I've ever seen. Already we're in the living room. Everything is so nice. Let me give you a little tour. So living area, massive TV, open space, kitchen, all here, everything built in. The thing that I really notice is how nice all the finishings are, especially compared to like most of the apartments here in Dubai. This is just next level. There's a full-on chandelier just sitting in the dining room table. Mad. So that's the inside of the apartment, but I think even more impressively is the view outside. Check this out. So even here up on level 7, you have a full view of the Ain Dubai, which is like literally living in front of like the London Eye, only bigger, and a full skyline view of Marina. I bet at night this is insane. And even you can look down to Bluewater and all the restaurants and everything down here, and basically sit and watch supercars all day. This is probably also one of the biggest balconies I've ever seen. There's like a nice seating area here, another seating area here for sitting and having a nice meal, and then it even goes round because this is like a corner unit, and there's another little space to sit. There's loads of greenery everywhere. I've never seen an apartment like this. Now this is actually a 3-bed, so let's go and check out some of the bedrooms. The attention to detail in some of these apartments is crazy. Like everything, even the walls are so nice. There's like actual detail to everything, and the colors are great. But we're now heading into the first bedroom, which it looks like all of them are like en suites. Let me show you inside here. So this is actually a rental unit, and this is one of the bedrooms you can see here. And every room seems to have this incredible view of Bluewater because it all faces out towards the marina side. There's also built-in wardrobes everywhere that just sort of seamlessly fit into the apartment. And the price of this is pretty mind-blowing. So that was one bedroom. You've got this really sleek, nice area to store stuff in the hallway, and it brings you to the other bedroom, which is actually the same layout. But again, just massive. Look how big this room is. And they have full Ain view. So finally we end in the master bedroom, which is definitely the best out of all of them. Look at this place, again, huge. Now the price of this unit in dollars is $4.3 million. That is just insane. One day I will own this place, but I think it's a little bit of a way off at the moment. But I can really understand why when you see these incredible views outside that access straight out into Bluewater. This is just a whole nother way of living in Dubai. Wow. Let's take a look at this master bedroom. Just imagine waking up here every single day and then this is your view outside. I've got to say, I think my favorite part of this whole apartment is the balcony and the open living room bit. The views are just insane every single day. You think people pay to go on the Ain and go to these different view locations to see Marina and things, and you could just wake up every morning to this. Now this place actually rents on a yearly basis for about 900,000 dirham, which compared to my apartment, which is about 80,000 dirham, this is 10 times the cost, but I think you definitely get 10 times the view. You get the extra bedroom. There's not even a comparison. This is just insane. You just think this place rents for $250,000 a year. Like, think how much money you have to be earning to make that a sustainable thing. The money that is in Dubai is just, I can't even comprehend it. Insanity. Okay, I have to come back out on the balcony for another look because this is just crazy. So there's a really nice modern mosque just here, and then you also have Caesar's Palace, whole hotel just over there, all within walking distance, all the shops from Bluewater. I can't comprehend this. This is next level money. So also an interesting thing about this apartment, you've got the main door here, and you've also got a small door here, which leads to the maid's area. So as you come in, this is so the maid doesn't disturb the rest of the family or anything when they're in the apartment. There's another door separating, but the maid has her own living area here. Amazing. It's honestly, it's like bigger than my apartment. There's a really nice shower, and it's like a whole own little apartment on its own. And then you've got a washing machine and dryer here as well. And then there's a door over there that leads into the main apartment. This is just next level. So we've now come down to the garden area. This is kind of on like level 1 above Bluewater. And you can see that all of the buildings here are actually all sort of connected by this private area here. I feel like all I keep saying is this is just next level, but it really, really is. We're walking over to the other side, which should just be open views of like the sea, I guess, from the other side of Bluewater, not the marina side. So we've come down to like the outskirts of Bluewater now, and there is these townhouse, like little villa ones here that are apparently extremely hard to get. You can rent these guys, I don't even want to know how much for, I'm sure it's much more than even those apartments. But even the apartments up here, think how incredible the view must be if you're on one of like the 7th floor looking out to this incredible ocean view. For me, I'm more of like a marina view sort of guy, so the apartment we viewed is probably the one for me. So I'll add it to the list when I'm gonna move. That'd be quite a jump, wouldn't it? Arjan to Bluewater. We've come back down to Bluewater itself, and you can actually see the apartment we were just in, just up there. But I think it's time to grab a drink. It's like 45 degrees today, and I'm dying. And imagine just after coming out of your extremely expensive apartment, you can come down to Bluewater itself and all these restaurants and everything available. This is living. So we've made it back to probably my not so great looking apartment now, but I mean, for 10 times the cost, I do quite like my place in Arjan. But anyway, we're also discussing that the fact that per square meter, that place on Bluewater is actually over double what you'd normally expect in central London. So it does show how very expensive these prime locations in Dubai can actually be. And that much rent is just insane. But some of you guys might actually be interested if you are a multi-millionaire. So if you do want me to put you in contact with an estate agent, I can do that. And let me know if you're interested in these crazy properties. I know they're out of 99% of our reach, but it's really cool to see them and actually go there myself and experience them. It is just next level. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna try and do a couple more of these crazy apartments and villas and things in Dubai, and hopefully you find that interesting. But apart from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you somewhere in Dubai next time. Boom.